Have you ever wished money could flow into your account even while you sleep? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing fresh cash added overnight. That dream isn't just for millionaires or lucky people. Today, I'll show you 10 real passive income ideas anyone can start. Stay with me, because the 10th one could change everything for you. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means you set up something once, and then let it keep paying you over time. Think of it like planting a tree today and eating its fruits for years. The work is upfront, but the reward is long-lasting. So let's begin with the first idea. Imagine owning tiny pieces of powerful companies like Apple or Coca-Cola. Every few months, they share profits with you in the form of dividends. You don't need to be a stock expert to start small. Apps today make it as easy as buying groceries. And the best part? Your money grows while you live your life. What if your home could pay you instead of draining your wallet? That's the magic of rental properties. You buy a small house or apartment and rent it out. Tenants pay their rent every month while your property value rises over time. Doesn't that sound like money working for you? Have you ever bought an online course, an ebook, or a printable design? Guess what? Someone created it once and now sells it forever. Digital products are like modern gold mines. You build them once, upload them, and watch the sales roll in. The internet makes this easier than ever. Think about recommending a product you already love. Each time someone buys through your link, you get paid. You don't need to hold inventory, ship items, or deal with returns. All you do is connect people with the product. Doesn't that sound like the simplest side hustle? You know those faceless YouTube channels with millions of views? They're often run by people who never show their face. With AI tools, stock videos, and voiceovers, anyone can build one. Once a video takes off, ads keep paying month after month. The real question is, why not start one today? Blogs may sound old, but they still make real money. You write about topics you enjoy, attract readers, and ads do the work. Each time someone clicks, you get a small payment. Over time, those clicks add up big. Isn't it crazy how simple words can build wealth? Ever seen cool t-shirts, mugs, or posters with unique designs? Someone uploads that design once, and print-on-demand companies handle everything else. When a customer buys, the company prints and ships the item. The creator just collects the profit. It's like running a store without touching a single product. Banks aren't the only ones lending money these days. Platforms let you loan small amounts to people and earn interest back. It's like being your own mini bank. Of course there's risk, but smart lending can pay steady returns. Wouldn't it feel powerful to make money like a bank does? Got a phone with a decent camera? Then you can start selling photos. Websites buy everyday pictures like coffee cups, city streets, and even sunsets. Each download puts money in your account. That's art turning into income. Think about the apps you use daily. What if you owned one? You don't even need to code today. You can hire freelancers. Once the app is live, downloads and ads keep paying you. One good idea can change your entire future. Could this be your million-dollar move? The truth is, passive income is not magic. It's about building small systems that keep paying long after the work is done. You don't need all 10 ideas. Just one can transform your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money work harder than you do. Remember, even one step today can build freedom tomorrow. So, which of these passive income ideas excites you the most? If you want deeper details on how to start your first side hustle, check out this next video right here. Or dive into the full playlist on building passive income streams. Your financial freedom is waiting, and I don't want you to miss it. Click now, and let's keep building your future together.